In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your portrait images with just a few simple steps using Photoshop's neural filters. Now, let's get started with our image editing journey. First, ensure that you've got your portrait image open in Photoshop. Once the file is open, one crucial step is to check the Layers panel. Here, you'll want to make sure that the layer you're working with is unlocked. This is an important step because locked layers can prevent you from making the edits you want. If you find that the layer is locked, simply click on the lock icon to unlock it, and you're good to go. Next, we'll dive into the magical world of filters. Head to the top menu bar and click on Filter. From the drop-down menu, select Neural Filters. This action will open up a new workspace dedicated to Photoshop's powerful neural filters, which are great for applying various effects and edits to your images. Within this Neural Filters workspace, you're going to look for the Skin Smoothing filter. Now, if this is your first time using it, you might notice a little cloud icon next to it. This icon indicates that you'll need to download the filter. Just click on the cloud and it'll download and install in no time. Once it's ready to use, toggle the switch to enable the Skin Smoothing filter. As soon as you activate the filter, you'll notice some sliders appear. These are for adjusting the blur and smoothness of the skin smoothing effect. Here you have the creative freedom to adjust these sliders according to your preference. Consider the effect you're going for. If you want a gentle, natural enhancement, use subtle adjustments. For a more dramatic change, you can push the sliders a bit further. Make sure to frequently glance at your image as you tweak these settings to ensure you're satisfied with the results. Once you've achieved the desired effect, you'll need to decide how you'd like to save these changes to your image. Photoshop provides several options, such as outputting to a new layer, applying it to the current layer, or using a smart filter. Each choice has its benefits. For instance, creating a new layer allows you to keep your original image intact and make any future adjustments without permanent alterations. After applying your skin smoothing effect, you may feel the need for some final refinements. At this stage, you can use masking techniques to selectively erase the effect from areas where texture is important, like the hair, eyes, or lips. This ensures that while the skin is beautifully smooth, other details remain sharply defined, adding a realistic and striking quality to your portrait. And there you have it, a beautifully enhanced portrait using neural filters in Photoshop. Don't forget to save your work and share it with others. Keep practicing, and soon you'll master the art of photo editing.